In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma design to Flutter app using Google Antigravity. Before we begin, make sure your setup is ready. The Antigravity IDE should be installed locally. Your Flutter SDK should be properly configured. And you will need access to the Figma design, either via a personal access token or through the Figma MCP server. With that in place, we'll move smoothly from design to working Flutter code. Start by configuring the Figma MCP server inside Antigravity. Install and enable the Figma MCP integration so the AI agent can read your design structure, components, and styles. Open Antigravity settings, go to MCP servers, add the Figma server, and authenticate with a personal access token from your Figma account. Keep this token secure and grant only the permissions you need. Once connected, Antigravity can analyze frames, components, colors, and text styles directly from your file. Next, initialize your Flutter workspace. In Antigravity, create a new project folder. You can do this using the terminal with agi init or by creating a workspace in the Agent Manager view. Confirm that the Flutter toolchain is detected and that your project scaffolding is in place, including the pubspec and a lib directory. If you have multiple Flutter SDK versions, select the one your project targets to avoid compatibility issues. Now connect to your Figma design. In the Antigravity chat interface, paste the Figma file link, switch on planning mode, so the agent can map out screens, components, and layout rules. Clearly named frames, such as home and profile, help the agent produce cleaner widget trees and reusable styles. When you are ready, issue a precise conversion prompt. For example, using the provided Figma link, convert the home and profile screens into a Flutter project. Use RiverPod for state management and ensure the UI is pixel perfect. The clearer your instructions, the better the generated widgets, themes, and navigation will match your intent. Use review mode to inspect the proposed changes before they're applied. Look over widget structures, theme definitions, and navigation routes. Ask the agent to refine details, like making the header more prominent or fixing the alignment of the login button. Iterate until the code style, spacing, and colors align with your design system. Finally, test and finalize. Run the app in the built-in browser or an emulator directly from Antigravity. If you hit issues, such as CocoaPod setup on macOS or deprecated Flutter widgets, let the agent guide you through fixes. Verify responsiveness, typography, and assets on multiple device sizes. Then commit your changes and you are ready to ship. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.